Alright, so today we're going to be using this super thin skin on Tony. So we're going to be using glue with this type of system. We don't recommend using any tape because it's so thin, and if you try to remove the tape, the skin
can break it.
It can tear off.
Okay.
So we're using the glue with this one. I'm going to show you how.
Okay, cool.
So as always, we always mark first, especially with this one. We want to make sure where are we going to apply the glue. This is our guide to show us where we are applying. So right after we mark, what we do is we would spray a little bit of alcohol to get rid of the oil. Now this glue is going to look white, but after a little bit time, it's going to turn clear.
Okay.
So, and we want to make sure that we apply it all even. We don't want to put too much on one side. And as you see, the marks that I put, that will guide me where to put the glue.
To make the form, right?
Mm-hmm.
They have to be full or just in the edges?
For this type of system, yes. Now if you want to take it off in a couple days, in a few days, you can just do one layer. But if you want it to last you two weeks, then you do 2 layers of glue.
Also can be 1 month, right?
It can. For this type of system, you just have to be very, very gentle with it. And always when you're applying the glue, you wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, pretty much the whole glue is getting clear. Some parts still left a little bit, so we can use the blow dryer, not very hot air. As you see, the whole glue is all clear. With this one, we're not using any tape, but we're gently placing the system, following the marks. When you're putting it on, make sure you stretch the middle a little bit so you don't get any bubbles. Okay, Tony?
Yes. Very good.
Good. You should be getting used to this now. You've been doing your own hair.
Yes.
For a while, right?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. The first time it was maybe a little confused, but I think it was maybe 1 or 2 days. Then
yeah, anything we were doing in the beginning, it looks a little hard, but after a couple time,
yeah,
you'll get used to it.
Yeah, it's like
you just want to take
washing your teeth.
Put a little bit of pressure and make sure that it's all. And now we're gonna cut the hair. As you can see, how beautiful that hairline is.
Yeah, it looks very good.
So to blend the hair system, always make sure you're using a razor on the first 2 rows. If you use a scissor, it's going to be a very sharp cut. It's not going to blend with the rest of the hair. Do you like the length?
Yeah. Very, very nice. Cool. Let's see how. So using the gel, like, it's gonna be fine too. No,
Sure.
just like normal, and removing it with water only.
Yeah, you can, whenever you use gel, you have to shampoo it afterwards.
Okay.
Right. I like that length on you. You like it?
Yes.
I'm going to use some serum.
Okay.
This would give it more shine. In the meanwhile, gives it a really nice fresh look.
Nice.
Look at that hairline.
Yeah.
Let me take this off so you can go closer. How do you like it?
It's beautiful. Really, really. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah. Oh. It feels very good, and it looks, you know, like, it looks
Very
and feels-
natural, right?
Yes.